Understanding clear view in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the English phrase, clear view. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means or how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's unravel its meaning and usage, step by step. Remember, English is a fun language to learn, and understanding phrases like these can really enhance your communication skills. Clear view has a direct and straightforward meaning. When something is clear, it means that it's easy to see, unobstructed, or transparent. The word view refers to the ability to see something or the scene that is being seen. Together, clear view describes a situation where you can see something without any obstructions. Example, after the fog lifted, we had a clear view of the mountains. In English, we often use phrases in a figurative or metaphorical sense. The phrase, clear view, can also be used to express understanding or clarity about a situation or concept. When someone says they have a clear view on a topic, it means they understand it very well. Example, once she explained the problem to me, I had a clear view of what needed to be done. 1. Nature and landscapes. When talking about scenic beauty, like mountains, beaches, or forests. 2. The hotel room has a clear view of the ocean. 3. Understanding topics, especially in academic or work situations. 4. After attending the workshop, I had a clear view of the subject matter. 5. Decision-making. When someone feels confident about a choice because they understand all aspects. 6. With all the information presented, I have a clear view of which option to choose. And that wraps up our deep dive into the phrase, clear view. We hope this video has given you both a literal and metaphorical understanding of how this phrase can be used in various contexts. Remember, language is all about expression, and phrases like these add depth to our conversations. Keep learning, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.